welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone for watching 8 planking variation video. As of today, it has reached 4,700 views, 260 plus likes. Thank you so much for watching that video, and this video is a follow-up of that video.
Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
So what is planking? Planking is an exercise where you maintain a hold of your body while facing down, up, and sides. Yes, facing down, up, and sides because there are 4 kinds of planking. Number 1 is elbow planking or the common planking. Number 2, full planking. Number 3, side planking. And number 4, last but not the least, the reverse planking. How to do planking? 3 simple steps. Step 1. On floor position, press your hands and your feet on the floor. Step 2. Lift your body up. And step 3, hold the position for a few seconds or more. And this position is supported by your arms and your feet. And there are 8 things to remember when doing planking. Number 1, arms should be directly under the shoulders. Not this or not that. Should be arms directly under the shoulders. Number 2, squeeze your abs or your glutes. Crumple it, tighten it like a paper. Number 3, keep your knees straight, either apart or close together. Number 4, toes should be pointed to the floor, not flat on the floor, not like this. Number 5, avoid arching your back. It should align with your knees and your head. Number 5, lift your butt, but butt should not be too low or too high. Should be aligned with your knees and your back. 7, relax your neck. Look down, not up, not sides. This is to avoid straining your neck. And last but not the least, breathe. Hold the position, but don't hold your breath. Don't forget to breathe in and breathe out. And that's how you do the planking and do's and don'ts. So that's about it. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment down below, or you can send me a private message through my Facebook or Instagram. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Feel free to share this video, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button to get notified for new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye-bye.